Semperflex hydraulics, top performance under pressure. Semperit has been developing, producing, and distributing hoses for more than 50 years. Our outstanding product standards have been proven globally. Before our high-pressure hydraulic hoses are shipped to customers, Semperit performs numerous tests in order to ensure the high-quality level of our products, to fulfill increasing market demands, and to be a reliable partner regarding technical support for our customers. Semperit has therefore established the specialized Hose Testing Center. This testing center is responsible for R&D development trials, ongoing quality checks, and customer approval tests. The testing of a finished hydraulic hose starts with a pressure test for tightness at 2 times the maximum hose working pressure. The pressure is then increased until the burst pressure of the hose, which must be 4 times higher than the maximum hose working pressure, is reached. The hose must not burst earlier. This test gives the first indication of the high quality of Semperflex hydraulic hoses. If the construction of a hose is safely proven by successful burst tests, we then start the testing of hose assemblies by impulse pressure tests at our hydraulic hose test center. Semperit is a hydraulic hose producer with the clear aim to develop hoses designed to be used with different fitting designs available on the market. Verification of perfect matching between the hose and fittings is performed at the Semperflex Hydraulic Hose Test Center. The large variety of fitting designs, in combination with difficulty assembly situations such as small bend radius stress hydraulic hoses and assemblies to the maximum and increase the risk of failures such as fitting leakage through crimping errors or improper fitting selection, fitting blow-offs through insufficient crimping, pinholes and bursts which can also result from improper usage, for example, too small bend radius. Please bear in mind, such failures may cause severe damage or personal injury. Some fitting designs require no skive crimpings, some an outside skiving of the hose, and some require an inside skiving of the hose in addition to the so-called interlock. Hoses that require skiving must be skived down to the wire layer. For braided wire hoses, a remaining rubber film of 0.3 of a millimeter maximum after skiving is acceptable. The hose, the fitting, and ferrule must be crimped together. This process creates a rubber form and friction between hose and fitting that is the basis for correct functioning to avoid leakages or hose blow-off. Verification of correct crimping may only be undertaken by measuring insert bore collapse values, for example, by a go, no-go gauge. With just this measurement, it's possible to evaluate whether the crimping provides a safe connection between hose and fitting and to avoid hose leakage due to improper crimping. Semperflex can also evaluate crimping by finite element analysis. In this way, you can see which forces act during the crimping to create the insert bore collapse in the crimping area caused by forces from outside. If the fitting is crimped with too little insert bore collapse, the result will be leakage and hose blow-off. The same crimping diameter can lead to different insert bore collapses, depending on the crimping conditions, dimensions, and material property tolerances. Therefore, the best indication of correct crimping is to measure the insert bore collapse. Only when the crimping is done properly, with the correct insert bore collapse, can we start to evaluate the fitting hose retention by the harshest available tests, impulse pressure tests according to ISO 6803. The hoses must be tested with impulse pressure, which is up to 33% for wire and spiral hoses, to overstress the hose, fitting and crimping at the minimum bend radius over a specified number of cycles. Normally, those cycles are defined between 150,000 to 500,000 cycles according to the relevant EN and SAE hose standards. Only this test gives a clear answer to whether hose, fitting, and crimping parameters fit together for a trouble-free and safe application. Certain Semperit special constructions are specified up to 1 million cycles to assure the high-quality level and contribute to a long life of use. The key to success is not only careful and qualified testing, but also detailed follow-up. Semperit analyzes each hose test result by sectioning each failed hose and crimping. All this data is collected and distributed to the R&D and production departments to improve our service to our customers. Apart from necessary customer testing, we support our customers with crimping values resulting from singular impulse pressure tests in accordance with ISO 6803, which may be considered as additional guidance levels for safe and trouble-free operation. Semperflex hydraulic hoses, top performance under pressure.